In this video, we'll show you how to use pocket option on mobile so you can trade easily even on the go. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned trader, pocket option offers a mobile app that can make it convenient to access all of its features right from your smartphone. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to download the pocket option app, head to the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device, or the App Store if you're on an iPhone. Just search for pocket option in the search bar, and once you find it, tap download or get to install the app. Once it's installed, open the app and you'll be prompted to log in or create a new account if you don't have one yet. If you already have a Pocket Option account, simply enter your credentials and tap login. If you are new to Pocket Option, you can sign up by entering your email address and creating a password. You also need to confirm your account via email before you can start trading. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you can view the various assets you can trade, like Forex, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and more. The mobile interface is user friendly with a simple layout that lets you quickly access the tools you need. To start a trade, tap on the asset you want to trade. This will open a chart where you can analyze the market. You'll see options to change the time frame, type of chart, and even apply technical indicators. You can use tools like moving averages, RSI, or MACD to help you make more informed decisions. This app also offers one touch trading, so you can open and close trades easily with just a tap. Once you have analyzed the market and decided to enter a trade, select the trade amount and choose whether you want to place a call or puts option. Then simply hit the trade button. Your trade will be executed. You'll be able to track your positions in real time and see if you're in a profit or loss directly from the app. Overall, Pocket Option on mobile is a great tool for trading on the go. It offers all the features you need for analyzing markets, opening and closing trades, and managing your account, and more all from your smartphone. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, the mobile app ensures you never miss an opportunity. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more trading tips. If you have any questions about using Pocket Option on mobile, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll help you out. Happy trading and best of luck with your trades.